Jake, I just saw a job posting. $60 per hour for social media management. $60.
That's actually standard now. Technology skills are incredibly valuable. And the best part, you can learn most of them for free online.
In English, right? So you're learning the skill and improving English simultaneously.
Exactly. Today we're sharing 7 tech skills that pay serious money, and all the best learning resources are in English.
Let's start with skill number 1. What's the most accessible for beginners?
Social media management and content creation. Businesses desperately need help managing their online presence.
What does this actually involve?
Creating posts, scheduling content, engaging with followers, analyzing metrics, running ads. It's not just posting on Instagram.
How much can you realistically earn?
Beginners charge $300 to $500 per month per client. Manage 3 clients, that's $1,500 monthly. Experienced managers charge $1,000 to $2,000 per client.
And where do you learn this?
YouTube channels like Hootsuite, HubSpot Academy, and Social Media Examiner, all free content in English. Plus, practice by managing your own accounts.
So you learn by doing?
Exactly. Create content, see what works, learn the tools. Your English improves because you're constantly writing captions, reading analytics, and engaging with audiences.
What's skill number 2?
Basic web design and no-code development. You don't need to be a programmer to build websites anymore.
What are no-code tools?
Platforms like Webflow, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress with builders. You design visually without writing code.
How much do people charge for this?
A basic website project pays $500 to $2,000. More complex ones pay $3,000 to $5,000. You can do 2 to 3 projects per month.
And where do you learn web design?
Webflow University has free courses. YouTube channels like Flux Academy, Design Course, all in English, teaching both design principles and technical skills.
And you're reading design briefs, communicating with clients, writing website copy, constant English practice. What's skill number 3?
Data analysis and visualization. Companies have tons of data, but don't know what it means.
This sounds complicated.
Basic data analysis isn't. You learn tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or beginner-level Tableau and Power BI.
What do data analysts do?
Take messy data, clean it up, find patterns, create visual charts and reports that tell a story. Companies pay well for insights.
How much?
Freelance data analysts charge $40 to $80 per hour. A single project might pay $500 to $1,500.
Learning resources.
Google's data analytics certificate on Coursera. Free Excel tutorials on YouTube. Tableau Public for practice. All English language resources. You'll learn business vocabulary, technical terms, how to present findings, excellent professional English skills.
Skill number 4.
Digital marketing, specifically email marketing and SEO basics.
SEO is search engine optimization, right?
Yes, helping websites rank on Google. Email marketing is building and managing email campaigns for businesses.
These pay well.
SEO specialists charge $50 to $150 per hour. Email marketing managers make $30 to $60 per hour. Both are in huge demand.
Where to learn?
Moz and Ahrefs have free SEO guides. HubSpot has free email marketing certification. Neil Patel's YouTube channel is gold.
You'll read tons of articles, watch video tutorials, write marketing copy, immersive English learning. What's skill number 5?
Video editing. Content is king, and video content dominates right now.
What software should people learn?
Start with free tools, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, then maybe Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro if you get serious.
How much do video editors earn?
Beginner editors charge $25 to $50 per video. As you improve, $100 to $300 per video. Video editors working with creators can earn $2,000 to $5,000 monthly.
Where do you learn video editing?
YouTube is perfect for this. Channels like Peter McKinnon, Justin Odisho, Cinecom. Watch tutorials in English, follow along, practice.
Plus, you're watching English content constantly, understanding instructions, learning creative vocabulary. What's skill number 6?
Virtual assistants with tech focus, specifically calendar management, project management tools, and basic automation.
What's automation?
Using tools like Zapier or Make to automate repetitive tasks. For example, automatically saving email attachments to Google Drive.
And people pay for this?
Tech-savvy virtual assistants earn $20 to $40 per hour because they save businesses tons of time.
Where to learn?
Zapier has free courses. Notion has tutorials. Asana and Trello has learning resources. Practice by organizing your own life first.
You're reading documentation, setting up systems, writing clear instructions, practical business English. What's the seventh skill?
Graphic design for digital. Social media graphics, presentations, infographics.
Do you need expensive software?
Canva is free and surprisingly powerful. Adobe Express is also free. Later, you might learn Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop.
How much can designers charge?
Canva designers charge $20 to $50 per graphic set. Design a week's worth of social media content for $150 to $300. Logo designs pay $200 to $800.
Learning resources.
Canva Design School, YouTube design channels, following design trends on Instagram and Pinterest.
You'll learn design terminology, read style guides, communicate with clients about visual concepts, specialized English vocabulary. Now, let's talk strategy. Someone watching has no tech skills. Where should they start?
Ask yourself 2 questions. What interests you? What resources do you already have?
Explain the resources part.
If you have a smartphone, start with social media management or Canva graphics. You can do these on your phone. If you have a laptop, more options open up.
So match the skill to your current situation.
Exactly. Don't try to learn video editing if you have a slow computer. But social media management, anyone can start today.
What's the learning timeline? How long until someone can start earning?
Depends on the skill. Social media management, you can start taking clients after 2 to 3 weeks of intense learning. Web design, maybe 1 to 2 months. Data analysis, 2 to 3 months.
So within 3 months, anyone could have a marketable tech skill?
Absolutely. If you dedicate 2 to 3 hours daily to focused learning and practice, 3 months is plenty.
And during those 3 months, you're immersed in English content.
Yes, every tutorial, every article, every documentation is in English. You can't help but improve.
Let's talk about the English benefit more specifically. What kind of English vocabulary do you learn?
Technical vocabulary first, terms specific to your skill. If you're learning social media management, you learn engagement rate, algorithm, reach, impressions.
Business vocabulary too.
Yes, deliverables, timeline, scope of work, client feedback, invoice, essential freelancing terms.
Communication vocabulary?
Definitely. Let me clarify. Here's my recommendation. I can implement that. What's your budget? Professional communication phrases.
This is way more practical than traditional English textbooks.
Exactly. You're learning English that actually gets used in the real world, not the cat sat on the mat.
How should someone practice while learning these tech skills?
Build a portfolio. Even if you don't have clients yet, create sample work. Design mock social media posts. Build a practice website. Create sample graphics.
And this portfolio demonstrates both your tech skill and your English ability.
Yes, your portfolio will have descriptions, case studies, explanations, all written in professional English.
Where do you find your first clients?
Start with your network. Friends, family, local small businesses who need help. Offer reduced rates initially to build reviews and experience.
What about online platforms?
Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com are the big ones. Also, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter. Join communities where your target clients hang out.
And you're communicating in English throughout this process.
Every proposal, every client message, every project update, it's total English immersion in a professional context.
Let's address fears. I'm not tech savvy enough. What do you say?
Neither were we. Tech skills are learnable. If you can use social media personally, you can learn these skills professionally.
I'm too old to learn technology.
Age is not the barrier. Commitment is what matters. We've seen people in their 50s and 60s successfully learn these skills.
The market is too competitive.
There's enough work for everyone. Small businesses, solopreneurs, startups all need these services. The demand far exceeds the supply of good providers.
What's the income potential long term?
If you specialize and build a reputation, six-figure income is realistic. I know social media managers earning $100,000 annually, web designers charging $10,000 per project.
And all while using English professionally daily?
Yes, as the more you earn, the more complex projects you take, the more sophisticated your English becomes.
Let's give practical action steps. What should someone do this week?
Day 1, choose one tech skill from our list based on interest and resources available.
Day 2?
Day 2, find 3 high-quality free learning resources for that skill. YouTube channels, free courses, documentation.
Day 3?
Day 3, complete the first beginner tutorial or lesson. Get started even if it feels awkward.
Day 4 and 5?
Day 4 and 5, practice what you learned. Create something, even if it's just for yourself.
Day 6?
Day 6, share your practice work online. LinkedIn,